Ayan yung ating likuran guys. Medyo nag-shape na siya.
Wow!
Ano guys, 3 and 1 for only 250 pesos. I really love it. And guys, ayan. The next color guys, the black color. I really love it. And guys, pack na pack siya yung ating red color. I really love it guys. So, I fit this black. Ayan, the next color is black guys. So, let's go. Ayan.
Wow!
I really love it. The next color is the red color. Let's fit this. Ayan. 3 and 1. I really love this guys. Ayan, pack na pack yung ating green color guys. Oh. One of my favorite color also. Ang kanyang likuran guys. Ayan, pack na pack siya. I really love it.
Wow!
Guys, I'm so happy. This is my orders guys. I really love it. The green color. I really love it. Ayan. So, that's it for today, guys. My fashion. Ayan, I really love my fashion, guys. Ayan, so, that's it for today. You can also avail a membership on my channel. You can also send me a super thanks gift, guys. So, I hope you enjoy my videos. But, ayan, medyo nag-shape na yung aking body, guys. And this is the red color. And guys, pack na pack yan. I really love it. So next natin guys, the blue color. Ayan.
Wow!
And peach color.
Oh no!
Pack na pack siya guys. Look guys, the blue color. Ayan. Pack na pack siya guys. I really love it. Pack na pack.
Wow!
Guys.
Wow.
Ayan. So, the next natin guys is the black and the peach color. Ayan. Ang ganda niya guys. Pack na pack siya. Ayan. I really love it. Siya. So, next tayo. The black color.
Wow!
Look guys, the black color. I really love it. Ayan siya guys, yung black niya. Ayan. Pack na pack. Free niya guys is color white. Ayan. Pack na pack yung ating black color. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. So, black color.
Wow!
Pack na pack siya guys. And the last, and the peach color guys. I tried that. The peach color. But, ating peach color siya guys. So, this is it. Ayan guys. And then yung last natin tong white guys. Kung maganda ba siya.
Wow!
White bikini. Pack siya. I really love it guys. So, the peach color. And so, this is it guys. The white color.
Oh no!
Guys, pack na pack siya. Yung
Wow!
ayan. White bikini. Ayan yung kanyang likuran guys. Ayan. Pack na pack yung kanyang likuran guys. So, that's it for
my
today.
God!
5 and 1 bikinis. Ayan. Kung aking in-order guys. 5 and 1 bikinis na for only 350 pesos. Ayan.
Oh my God!
And that's it for today guys.